Did you know your Samsung phone has a secret security feature that can completely lock down your privacy when you hand your device to someone else? Most people never even look for this setting, but it is a total game changer if you ever lend your phone to a friend to make a call or let a kid play a game. Let's jump right in and get this set up. Open your Settings app by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. From here, you want to scroll down until you see the section for security and privacy. Tap on that and then scroll all the way to the bottom to find more security settings or other security settings like on my Samsung phone. Inside this menu, you will see an option called Allow Apps to be Pinned. This is the setting we are looking for. Go ahead and tap the toggle to turn it on. Now, let me explain exactly what this does before we use it. When you pin an app, it essentially traps the user inside that one specific application. They cannot swipe up to go home, they cannot see your notifications, and they definitely cannot go snooping through your private photos or text messages. It creates a digital wall around whatever app is currently on the screen. To actually use this feature once it is enabled, you need to open the app you want to lock. For example, if you are letting someone use the calculator or the phone app, open it first. Now, swipe up and hold or tap your Recents button to see all your open apps. Tap the icon at the very top of the app window, and you will see a new option that says Pin this app. Tap that, and you will see a confirmation that the app is now pinned. The phone is now locked to that single screen. Even if they try to close it or navigate away, the phone will stay right where it is. When you get your phone back and you want to return to normal, you just have to hold the back and Recents buttons at the same time. This will trigger your lock screen, and you will have to use your PIN, pattern, or biometric unlock to get back into the rest of your device. It is the ultimate way to share your phone without exposing your personal life. I hope this helps you feel a bit more secure with your Galaxy. Subscribe for more Samsung tips. See you in the next one.